Hi, my name is Oleg. I'm licensed real estate broker with Woodinville, Bellevue Commons. I decided to record today a quick episode about 2017 market share by transactions. And I'm excited about that because we're going to talk about numbers, and numbers are very important to understand. Northwest MLS is the largest MLS company in Puget Sound, and this company provides data for all real estate firms, including Windermere, General Scott, Global Bank and Bay, and Remax, and like 1,000 different ones. And they record data. Let's get to the numbers and let's find out who's winning in competition. Windermere closed most transactions by representing sellers on Eastside. 12% was represented by General Scott Company, 6% was represented by Remax and Keller Williams. Redmond represent only 4% transactions on Eastside market. And now let's talk about who's representing most buyers. So winner in this competition is Windermere again. Windermere represents 20% of all buyers in Eastside by transaction. 10% General Scott, 8% Colby Bank and Bain, 7% was split between Keller Williams and Remax, and Redmond represent only 4% of all buyers on Eastside in 2017. You will ask me questions, why is this important? Why is it important to know who dominated the Eastside market? You're looking for a company who outmarket everyone. This company will truly help you to bring you top dollar for your house. And if you're a buyer, they will help you to win competition on today very brutal market for the buyers. I hope this information you will find valuable for you. And I know you're gonna make right decision. You'll see this number on the screen. Please call me and let me know if anything I can do to help you.